Whoa, I look huge in this. My face is huge. My hair. Oh gosh. Sorry, I've been working on another dance for you. You're probably relieved that you don't have to see me dance again. Boy, I miss you guys. I sure wish I could see you. We are going to be having a teacher parade on May 4th, I think. So I hope to see you guys there. It would be so much fun. We have to like social distance, but I would just love to see your faces. Okay, we are doing the last page of this week is your review. So we're just going to go through it together, but I would like for you to complete it on your own. Gosh, that is scary. Okay, so also please don't forget to write your name on your papers. I had a few things turned in the last little while that have no names. So those poor kids get no credit for the work they've done. So please don't forget to write your name on your papers. On all of them. Or staple it all together. Write your name on the top copy. Something. Please write your name on your paper. Okay, so let's do my review. Let me turn it to the paper. So we have my review. So the first thing we're going to do is see if I can get this camera correct. Okay, our review says complete the sentences, our vocabulary check. We have fourths, two-dimensional shapes, halves, and whole. Remember the blue thing here? So number 1, you're going to complete the sentence. 2 equal parts of a whole are called. 2 equal parts of a whole are called. Okay, number 2. A blank is a flat shape such as a circle, a triangle, or a square. Would it be fourths, two-dimensional shape, halves, or a whole? Okay, number 3, 4 equal parts of a whole are called. Fourths, two-dimensional shape, halves, or whole. Okay, number 4, the entire amount or all parts is called the. Okay, great job. Okay, concept check. Write how many sides and vertices. So this triangle, how many sides and how many vertices? Remember, if you only had one, it would be called a vertex. More than one, vertices. And then the square, how many sides and how many vertices? Okay, let's go on to the next. Oh, there's my homeroom class list. Sorry. Okay, I've been working on things. Okay, you'll need your pattern box for this part. Use 2 pattern blocks to make the shape. So we're doing those composite shapes we did last week. Draw a line to show your model. So what would you use to make this large un? Actually, it doesn't say to use them. You just have to imagine those shapes. So you want to only use 2 to make this large triangle. And then I know that you could just use your trapezoid shape, but it wants you to use 2 shapes. So what 2 could you use to make this shape? It only says circle 2 pattern blocks used to make the shape. So circle 2 that you could use. Okay, and then let's go on. How many equal parts make up the whole? Number 9. So here we have a hexagon. How many equal parts make up the whole? They've already divided it for you. Okay, then number 10, we have a square divided into equal parts. How many equal parts? Okay, then number 11, how many parts are shaded? So this trapezoid, how many parts are shaded? What of blank parts are shaded? And then also with the square, blank of parts are shaded. So how many parts in the whole and what portion of those parts are shaded? Okay, then let's go on to, let me give you a second to catch up in case you're behind. Okay, let's go on to problem solving. So this is kind of a mystery game. Mystery problem. I am a two-dimensional shape that has more than 2 but less than 4 sides. What shape am I? Please write the name of the shape that you have decided that shape is the mystery shape. What shape is it? And please write the name of that shape here. Then we have number 14. Amos and Elton wanted a piece of chicken pot pie. That sounds pretty yummy. Each of them wants an equal part of it. Draw a line to show how they should cut the pot pie. Okay, let's go on to test practice. Jill and Carlos each have a shape. Both shapes have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Jill's shape has 4 sides all the same length. Carlos's shape has exactly 1 pair of sides that are the same length. What are the 2 shapes? So remember, Jill's shape has 4 sides all the same length. Carlos's shape only has 2 of the sides that are the same length. What are the 2 shapes? Would it be a square and a triangle? A square and a trapezoid? A triangle and a rectangle? Or a circle and a square? What could it be? Okay, well, I hope you upside down. I hope you are doing well. Don't forget to stay safe and wash your hands, and I hope to see you soon. Watch for more information about the teacher parade that we're going to have. I believe it's on May the 4th, the Friday. But watch for more information to come out about that. And also, I'm planning for us to have a little math class reunion on Zoom. So have your parents watch their emails for a Zoom invitation. And that will be so fun. So make sure that if you're able to join our Zoom meeting, you'll need a telephone with a camera or a computer or even an iPad or some kind of tablet. Usually have a camera option, and then you'll need to either log on to Zoom or download the app if you're using a phone or a tablet. So hopefully you can join us for that. It will be lots of fun that we can talk to each other and see each other's faces. So, all right, upside down. I still miss you guys the same upside down. Have a nice night. Have a great time. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Upside down.